Am I overreacting for eating my own birthday cake in front of my nephew? So it was my birthday yesterday. I'm 20F, living at home right now with my parents to save money. My sister, Kayla, came over for dinner with her 4 years old son, Leo. Quick context, Kayla is extremely strict about Leo's diet. Like, no processed sugar, no dyes, basically no fun food ever. I think it's a bit much, but I usually just stay out of it. I bought myself a really nice, expensive chocolate cake for my birthday. I didn't ask anyone else to pay for it, I just wanted a specific one from a local bakery. After dinner, I brought it out. Kayla immediately got tense. She asked why I couldn't have waited until they left to bring it out. I told her it's my birthday dinner and I wanted cake. My parents were having fruit, but I sat down and started eating a slice. Leo obviously saw it and started asking for some. Kayla told him no, it's yucky and bad for him. He started crying because, well, he's 4 and it's a giant chocolate cake. Kayla lost it. She called me a brat and said I was taunting a child and disrespecting her parenting by eating it in front of him. She ended up grabbing her stuff and leaving early while Leo was still sobbing. Now my mom is saying I shouldn't have done that and should have just waited an hour to eat my own cake to keep the peace. I feel like I'm going crazy. It's my house, well, my parents' house, but I live here, and my birthday. Am I actually overreacting by thinking she's being insane?